Hi everyone and welcome to today's stream. It's arrived! Yay! Sorry, I've been waiting a few months for this to arrive. It's from America. Um, and yesterday it came into the UK and I ended up with an extra customs charge. So after paying another 50 quid, customs do not like you. Customs stop charging people. It finally arrived today, which was brilliant. And this is something, hopefully, I'm really hoping is going to be absolutely awesome. In fact, I'm hoping it's a parcel I'm hoping for. So it's a Kickstarter project, and I think it's for, if it's what I'm hoping for, it's an art book from America, and it's going to be awesome. So I need to get this open. Sorry, this is all that's been keeping me going at work today, is the thought of getting home and getting this parcel open. So it was a Kickstarter, and the money was going towards helping preserve wildlife and other projects, kind of things like endangered species basically. And this book hopefully is like a tribute to in the animals of the world. I have no idea how big it is or anything. So here we go. Yeah, it's probably the wrong type of scissors for opening a box, but I just grabbed what I could. Let's see. Okay, be good. It's well boxed. Every single package of mine lately coming through customs is hitting problems, and I don't quite know why. I was a bit disappointed that I had to pay extra to get it into the UK, but I'm so looking forward to this. So this is all that's kept me going today. And I even agreed to a 12-hour shift tomorrow. Oh, look at that. They put thanks. Thanks, Nicola. Expedition Art. I think. Oh, yeah, Expedition Art. So, oh gosh. Right, let's bring this out. Let's put the box over there. Right, I think it's a feel. Gosh, I've got to open this up now. Oh, blimey. Nicely packaged. Right, let's just carefully snip. It's low tack tape, but I just don't want to risk it. When someone takes this much care to wrap something, you know it's got to be good. In fact, they've taken the time to actually write on the paper is really nice. And they've actually put my name on there, which is even nicer. It means they've actually looked. Oh, I can't wait to start Christmas. Almost better than Christmas, right? Pretend it once. We rotate. Turn again. Here we go. Yay! Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, the print. I forgot I ordered a print of this as well. Number 23 of 250. This is a print by Aaron Blaise. I apologise if I say your name wrong. Oh my god, that is beautiful. African elephant tusker. Number 23, 250. This is so gonna be. Oh wow. When I ordered the book, I had a choice between what artists I could pick to have a print of. And in all honesty, all of the artists are amazing. They're all people that I really seriously admire. And it took me ages to decide what print to go for. And you didn't know what print you were going to get. It's just kind of have a print by this artist. Wow. I am just, yeah, that's special. That is beautiful. Wow. Because these are the people who I would love to be able to draw. Like, I can't do digital art, but a lot of these artists do traditional art. So it's, yeah, Oh, that is awesome. That's got to go somewhere safe. Right, that's going to sit on my scanner. There we go. The book. It is called In Danger. Threatened and Endangered Animals. And, oh, this is clever. You've got the artists involved actually here with the animals. I can definitely recognise a few now. I'm going to lift off the paper, bring it up to the camera. And we're going to put that paper on a special place. What I'll do is I'll trim off that panel that's got my name on, because that's equally as important. And we're going to put this white piece of paper back down. Hopefully see that. There we go. Wow. That is the feel. Actually, I'm just going to turn it and see the back. Oh, the spine's nice. Oh, wow. Oh, there's my print. Yay. Wow. So, we got a little bit about it. The website, which is www.expeditionart.org. So, it says, the In Danger art book is produced by Expedition Art and Imagination International in a collaboration with some of the most well-known concept artists, designers and fine artists in the world. Enjoy unique styles of 54 different artists from 8 different countries as they express their passion for amazing animals through their artwork. Each of the 95 animals represented includes an artist rendering, a detailed description, interesting fun facts about the creature, as well as insightful thoughts from the artists. Our goal is to educate and raise awareness through art. That is brilliant. That is just absolutely brilliant. Now, I did pay a little bit more than that, but I don't mind. I paid more on I went and did the Kickstarter because I wanted to help fund this book to come in to print, and to be part of that to me is well worth it. Oh, I'm so excited. So we're going to turn the first page. Ooh. Right. My camera is not going to be able to get all this. This is a lovely size book. Really nice quality paper. Oh. I officially do not know where to start. I'm not going to be able to show you every page because I think you guys need to go out there and get this yourself. I'll show you a few and then I'm going to run off and look at it. I'm already drooling. Oh God, I love that smell of new books. Something beautiful about it. Blimey. Okay, I'm going to be honest. I didn't expect it to be of this quality. Wow. Wow. This is going to be right. Right, we're going to do a very, very kind of rough. I'm going to pick a page. Oh, I pick a good page. Oh, I like this. Sorry about my camera shine, people. I have a light up here and I apologise about it. So you get a page of really good information and a stunning piece of artwork. I need to get my degree done and actually practice more of this sort of art, because when I see it like that I realise how amazing it can be. Oh. Oh. No, I can't pronounce half the people in this book's names. But I do follow. This is quite weird. I follow Manny, who's the artist here. Like I said, I can't really pronounce the names and I don't want to insult people by not pronouncing them right. I follow him online, and of all the pages, I follow Terrell online. She did Star Wars Creature Creation. I've got some of her DVDs. It's just wow. Right, so who next have I got? Ooh, that's pretty. Howler Monkey. We hardly enough have these in Dorset. Not their native place, of course. where I live, we're very close to the Monkey World where they do the ape rescue, and they do have howlers there. But to have the information, such a beautiful piece of artwork. It's nice, there's digital, there's traditional, all mixed in here. Oh, that's a pretty little panda. Wow. Okay, I am absolutely stunned by this book. Wow. This is what I would love to be able to be like, and this is what I want to aim to. Wow, 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 wow. Oh. Wow. I've just got pages and pages to go through of this book, and I am going to be enjoying them so much because I get the feeling this is going to be one of those books. This is going to be one of those books where you can look through it once and you can look through it again and again and again, and you are going to see different things constantly. Wow, there's like an index of references. I'm taking so much. Yeah, the sources. Oh, Foxy. That's got to be one of Terrell's. This is just... Yeah, this is, oh, brilliant. And about the artists. So, who do I follow online? Let's see. I follow Aaron. And I'm going to be following all of these people. Honestly. I follow Bobby. And I follow Manny. I think I follow Mr. Chan. And then I definitely follow, let's see, who do I follow? Oh my god, there's so many artists. Half of these I don't follow. I have got to, well, yeah, I'm going to be checking out all of these artists. These are just absolutely amazing. So many people have come together to produce such a beautiful piece of work. I want to follow Terrell. It's a nice photo of that. Oh, and I follow Esther. I think that's her name. I follow her. She did a drawing with squid ink that came from a fossilised squid. Oh wow. Yep, I'm going to go and find all those artists and follow them. Absolutely amazing. And the Imagination International, they did a course, or still should have the course up, for Tales of Amalthea, and that's on creature creation, and that is a stunning course, so I definitely strongly recommend it. Oh my goodness me, I am so going to be enjoying this. Hee hee, ferret. It's always ferreting around. But yeah, I just wanted to open this book and show you guys why I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Aye. Oh, these are just absolutely stunning. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I definitely recommend this book, In Danger. By the looks of it, it's going to hopefully be in the shops at some point. But if you can, please pop over to their website. I can show you that website. So you want to go to www.expeditionart.org and show them some love, because this looks like the most stunning book ever. This book will not only be an amazing read for me, it'll be an inspiration, and also I feel like I've contributed something to helping preserve the planet and its wonderful wildlife. So thank you very much for joining me. I'm going to zunk off and get reading. And I've got this absolutely gorgeous print, and I am so going to need to find a nice frame for that. I might actually go and get a custom frame made because it's that special. I mean, I would, in all honesty, I would have actually paid quite happily to have a print from, say, 5 of the artists, or so many. Actually, paid extra to have an extra print from an extra artist. But I'm awesome. I'm happy. So, with my tail wagging, I'm off. But thank you very much for popping by, and hope this has inspired you to go and have a look at some really good books and help support wildlife and education around the world. So, all the best. Take care. Happy drawing to you all.